So re-enter Caesar and his train. तो Caesar जो है re-enter होता है in re-enter where on the stage because he is coming back, right? Brutus says, I will do so, मैं ऐसा करूंगा, but look you Cassius, लेकिन तुम देखना Cassius, the angry spot doth glow on Caesar's brow. But Cassius, you see the angry spot you can say is like, you know, the red color which is indicative of anger. Angry spot here may say redness, indicative of anger. All right. Doth glow on Caesar's brow. Brow is face. But you see, there is redness, which is indicative of anger on Caesar's face. And all the rest look like a chidden train. Chidden means scolded. Scolded. Train is the train of followers. ऑलराइट, और ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे सीजर बहुत गुस्से में है और बाकी लोग ऐसे लग रहे हैं जैसे वो डांट खाकर आए हैं अभी. दे मस्ट हैव बीन स्कोल्डेड फॉर समथिंग. Calpurnia's cheek is pale. Even Calpurnia, who is Brutus's wife, her cheek, her face is also pale, means dull. And Cicero looks with such ferret and such fiery eyes as we have seen him in the Capitol. And Cicero, who is another character, looks such ferret. Ferret means kind of animal with red eyes. Ferret, you can say animal with red eyes. उसकी आंखें बिल्कुल लाल हैं. He is looking like a ferret. And fiery eyes, red and fiery eyes, as we have seen him in the Capitol. As we have seen him in the Capitol. You know, he is opposed by some senators in the course of a debate. एक बार क्या हुआ था? Being crossed. Crossed means opposed in conference by some senators. One, when he was opposed by some senators in the course of a debate, you know, at that time when he got angry and he had those red and fiery eyes. So the same kind of eyes he is having even now. Okay, so he is just trying to judge what all is happening by their looks. So Cassius says, Casca will tell us what the matter is. Casca हमें बताएगा कि क्या बात है. Now, at that time, Caesar, who comes there, suddenly he shouts, you know, he calls Antonius, means Antony. He is calling Antony. Antony says, Caesar. He asks him, Caesar, there is a question mark. Caesar says, let me have men about me that are fat. Let me have men about me. Let there be people around me who are fat, sleek headed men, and such as sleep of nights. Yond Cassius has a lean and hungry look. He thinks too much. Such men are dangerous. He says, I want to be surrounded with people who are fat. मुझे अच्छे हट्टे कट्टे लोग चाहिए अपने आसपास. Sleek headed men. Sleek headed men, you can say, with well combed hair. Sleek headed means well combed, जिन्होंने अच्छे से अपने बाल कॉम किए हों. I want to enjoy sound sleep at night. Okay, such as sleep of nights means those who have sound sleep at night, जो रात को ढंग से सोते हों. ठीक है, so that they are not tensed. Yawned means that Cassius has a lean and hungry look. ये जो Cassius है, he over there he has a thin body. उसकी तो lean and thin body है. He thinks too much. You know, he thinks too much. ये कुछ ज्यादा ही सोचता है. Such men are dangerous. ऐसे लोग बहुत खतरनाक होते हैं. He says, fear him not, Caesar. He is not dangerous. He is a noble Roman and well given. Well given means well disposed, having good nature. ये तो एक नोबल रोमन है और वेल डिस्पोज्ड है, अच्छी खासी नेचर है उसकी, हैविंग अ गुड नेचर. सीजर सेज, वुड ही वर फैटर, काश वो थोड़ा मोटा होता. बट आई फियर हिम नॉट, मैं उससे डरता नहीं हूं. येट इफ माय नेम वर लायबल टू फियर, आई डू नॉट नो द मैन आई शुड अवॉइड so soon as that spare Cassius. But yes, he says, I do not fear him. But yet, if my name were liable to fear, this does not mean that I am afraid of him. ऐसा नहीं है मैं उससे डरता हूं. Yet, if I were a man to feel afraid of anybody, if my name were liable to fear, अगर मुझे वाकई में किसी से डरना होता, I do not know the man I should avoid as soon as that spare Caesar. if I actually had to get afraid of anybody, then I would like to keep away as much as from that thin bodied Cassius. Okay. He reads much, वो पढ़ता बहुत है. He is a great observer, बहुत ज्यादा ऑब्जर्व करता है. And he looks quite through the deeds of men. He looks quite through the deeds of men means he looks beyond the deeds of men. जो लोगों के एक्शन होते हैं उसमें भी वो घुस के सोचता है कि उसने ऐसा क्यों किया होगा, what would have been the reason behind it. He loves no plays, उसको कोई plays यानी कि entertainment पसंद नहीं है. As thou does Antony, जैसे तुम्हें पसंद है. He hears no music, वो म्यूजिक भी नहीं सुनता है. Seldom he smiles, very less he smiles. कभी seldom he smiles, कभी कभार हंसता है. And smiles in such a sort, and smiles in such a way as if he mocked himself, जैसे कि वो मजाक उड़ा रहा हो. And scorned his spirit. Scorned means hated his spirit that could be moved to smile at anything. So seldom does he smile, and whenever he smiles, he appears to be mocking at himself, जैसे वो अपना मजाक उड़ा रहा हो. He smiles in such a way that he seems to hold himself in contempt, है ना. Scorn means hated or contempt, जैसे कि कोई feeling of contempt हो उसके लिए, अपने लिए, for being so weak as to yield to impulse of smile at anything, कि वो खुद इतना अपने आप से परेशान है कि वो इतना कमजोर है. Such men as he be never at heart's ease. ऐसे इंसान जैसा वो है, they are never at heart's ease. Heart's ease means they never feel easy at heart. वो दिल से कभी भी comfortable नहीं होते हैं. Ease मतलब comfortable नहीं होते हैं. Whilst they behold a greater than themselves, while they behold, they look a greater than themselves, and therefore are they very dangerous. Because these people, persons like Cassius, are never happy in their hearts as long as they can see a man who is more powerful than they are. They can look at a person greater than themselves, क्योंकि ये खुद इतने कमजोर होते हैं और ये कभी दिल से खुश नहीं होते. किसकी वजह से? अपनी कमजोरियों की वजह से. So whenever they see somebody greater than themselves, they never feel happy. वो कभी खुश नहीं होते हैं, and therefore are very dangerous. और इसी वजह से such people are very dangerous. I rather tell thee what is to be feared than what I fear. I rather would like to tell you what is to be feared. मैं ये नहीं कहता हूं कि मैं इससे डरता हूं, मैं तुम्हें वो समझा रहा हूं कि हमें किस तरह के लोगों से डरना चाहिए. Those who are not good for us. All right. Come on, my right hand. For always I am Caesar, because I am always Caesar. All right, I am always Caesar. And come on my right hand, for this ear is grief. Now come on my right hand, तो मेरे right hand पर आ जाओ. Come on my right side. Okay. For this ear is deaf, क्योंकि मेरा ये वाला कान जो है सुनता नहीं है. So Caesar had many physical disabilities too. ठीक है, उसकी फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी थी. ही wasn't able to hear from one ear. लेफ्ट ईयर से वो नहीं सुन पाता था. दैट्स व्हाई ही कॉल्स एंटनी ऑन हिज राइट साइड. And tell me truly what thou thinkest of him. And you please tell me what you think of him. तुम इधर आओ, मेरे राइट साइड पर आओ और मुझे बताओ कि तुम उसके बारे में क्या सोचते हो. So actually he is discussing Cassius with Antony, and he tells it very clear. From this speech it is very much clear that Caesar had a doubt that Cassius may do anything to offend him, and Cassius is actually against him. Right? Now, Senate, एक्सिएंट, सीजर एंड ऑल इज ट्रेन, सब वहां से चले जाते हैं, बट कास्का. किसको छोड़कर? कास्का को छोड़कर. कास्का, यू पुल्ड मी बाय द क्लोक, तुमने मुझे खींचा. वुड यू स्पीक विद मी? डू यू वांट टू टॉक टू मी? क्या तुम मुझसे बात करना चाहते हो? Brutus says, I, yes, Casca. Tell us what has chanced today. Tell us what has chanced means happened today. आज क्या हुआ है? That Caesar looks so sad. कि Caesar इतना दुखी लग रहा है. Casca says, why? You were with him. Were you not? तुम भी तो उसके साथ थे. Why are you asking me? You were also with him. Brutus says, I should not then ask Casca what had chanced. I should not then ask Casca. If I had been with him, it would have not been necessary for me to ask you what happened with him. अगर मैं होता उसके साथ तो मुझे पता होता ना, मैं तुमसे क्यों पूछता? Casca says, why? There was a crown offered him. उसको एक crown offer किया गया था. Crown to wear upon his head. उसको पहनने के लिए क्राउन ऑफर किया गया था. एंड बीइंग ऑफर्ड हिम, ही पुट इट बाय द बैक ऑफ हिज हैंड, thus, and then people fell a shouting. But when he the when the crown was offered to him, he pushed it away. उसने उसको साइड कर दिया, पीछे कर दिया. विद द बैक ऑफ हिज हैंड, अपने हाथ से उसने उसको पीछे कर दिया. एंड देन पीपल फेल शाउटिंग, एंड देन पीपल स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग विद एंथुसियाज्म, और लोग चिल्लाने लगे. ब्रूटस, व्हाट वाज द सेकंड नॉइज फॉर? फिर दोबारा से इतना शोर क्यों आया? व्हाई? फॉर दैट टू, वो भी उसी के लिए ही था. ओके, द सेकंड टाइम आल्सो दैट दे शाउटेड फॉर द सेकंड टाइम फॉर द सेम रीजन. कैसियस, दे शाउटेड थ्राइस, वो 3 बार चिल्लाए थे लोग. व्हाट वाज द लास्ट क्राई फॉर? तीसरी बार क्यों चिल्लाए? कास्का, व्हाई फॉर दैट टू फॉर द सेम रीजन. ब्रूटस, was the crown offered him thrice? क्या उसको 3 बार क्राउन ऑफर किया गया था? So from this what we come to know that people were very enthusiastic to make him the king. They wanted him to lead Rome. They wanted him to be the king. Actually, they were offering him the crown, but he did not accept. लेकिन सीजर ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. So Casca says, ah, yes, Mary, was it? Yes, it was. Uh, and he put it by thrice. And he pushed it. Put it here, you can say pushed it by thrice. और उसने 3 बार उसको हटा दिया. Every time gentler than other. However, he pushed it every time less firmly than on the preceding occasions. मतलब पहले जितनी firm situation में हटाया, दूसरी बार थोड़ा gentle होके हटाया, तीसरी बार और थोड़ा gentle होके हटाया. And at every putting by, mine honest neighbors shouted. And every time he pushed it, every time he put it by, mine honest neighbor, my honest fellows, neighbors here means fellows, people of Rome, they shouted. उस हर बार वो चिल्ला रहे थे. Who offered him the crown? Crown किसने ऑफर किया उसको? Why? Antony. एंटनी ने ऑफर किया. ब्रूटस, टेल us the manner of it, gentle Casca. हमें बताओ किस तरीके से उसको वो क्राउन ऑफर किया गया. Cassius says, who offered him the crown? He says, Antony. Tell us the manner of it, gentle Casca. हमें उसका मैनर बताओ, हमें बताओ कि किस तरीके से उसको क्राउन ऑफर किया गया. He says, I can as well be hanged as tell the manner of it. It is better if you hang me. I would not be able to tell you exactly how it happened. Okay. It was mere foolery. Foolery means foolishness. ये सिर्फ बिल्कुल बेवकूफी की बात थी. That was just a kind of foolishness. I did not mark it. I did not notice it. मैंने उसको ज्यादा notice नहीं किया. I saw Mark Antony offer him a crown. मैंने ये देखा that Mark Antony offered him a crown. Yet it was not a crown neither. It was one of those coronets. और ये कोई crown नहीं था. It was one of those coronets. Uh, Coronet is a kind of wreath, laurel wreath. Okay. And as I told you, he put it by once. और जैसा मैंने बताया, he put it by once means he pushed it back once. उसने एक बार उसको पीछे कर दिया. But for all that, to my thinking, he would fain have had it. He would fain means would gladly have had it. लेकिन जहां तक मैं सोचता हूँ, he would have been glad to accept it, to have it. लेकिन वो खुश होता उसको accept करने में. Then he offered it to him again. फिर दोबारा उसने ऑफर किया. Then he put it by again. उसने वापस उसको पुश कर दिया. But to my thinking, he was very loath to lay his fingers off it. But to my thinking, when he pushed it second time, I think in pushing it, it was only a pretense. ये सिर्फ एक नाटक था. Okay. He actually hated, he scorned to lay his fingers off it. अब उसको हटाना उसको पसंद नहीं आ रहा था. Then he offered it the third time. फिर तीसरी बार उसको ऑफर किया. He put it the third time by. तीसरी बार भी उसने उसको पुश कर दिया, हटा दिया. Alright, लेकिन जैसे ही उसने, and still as he refused it, जैसे ही उसने उसको वापस रिफ्यूज किया, the rabblement means mob, crowd. Rebelment is the crowd or mob, hooted and clapped their chapped hands. Chapped means rough, coarse hands because most of them were manual workers, rough or coarse hands. and threw up their sweaty night caps, और सबने जो sweaty means because of sweat है ना, covered with perspiration, वो they all threw up their caps and uttered such a deal of stinking breath. मतलब they all started speaking, shouting foul smelling breath के साथ, that it almost choked Caesar. ऑलराइट, कि जो सीजर है वो जैसे एकदम से चोक हो गया, for he swounded and fell down at it. Because he swounded and fell down at it, क्योंकि अचानक से जैसे ही वो इतना सुना, he swounded means fainted, अचानक से वो faint हो गया, and fell down at it, और अचानक से गिर गया. And for mine own part, I durst not laugh. Durst not means dared not laugh. मैंने हंसने की हिम्मत नहीं की, for fear of opening my lips and receiving the bad air. और मैं उस टाइम जोर से हंसना चाहता था, though I wanted to laugh, but I did not. I did not have the courage to laugh at that time at the whole scene, because I felt that I'll open my mouth and then this foul air will enter my mouth. All right, it will enter my body. Cassius, but soft, I pray you. What? Did Caesar swoon? Did he faint? वो बेहोश हो गया था. He fell down in the marketplace. Yes, marketplace में गिर गया, and foamed at mouth. And he was foamed at mouth. मतलब झाग निकल गया था उसके मुंह से, and was speechless. He wasn't able to speak at that time. Brutus, it is very like, he says this is very probable, the failing sickness. Now he had the failing sickness. What is failing sickness? It is epilepsy. You know, it is epilepsy. So those who suffer with this disease, epilepsy, they get certain kinds of fit. उनको अचानक से फिट पड़ता है, they get fainted or foam their mouths. So Caesar had this sickness also. You know, you are coming, you must be knowing the physical disabilities he had, right? Cassius, no, Caesar hath it not. नहीं, सीजर को तो नहीं है, बट यू एंड आई एंड ऑनेस्ट कास्का, वी हैव द फॉलिंग सिकनेस. हमें फॉलिंग सिकनेस है, उस सीजर को तो नहीं है. कास्का सेज, आई नो नॉट व्हाट यू मीन बाय दैट. मुझे नहीं पता तुम इससे क्या कहना चाहते हो, बट आई एम श्योर सीजर फेल डाउन. सो एक्चुअली कैसियस इज सेइंग इट इन अ डिफरेंट वे, है ना. वो sarcastically कह रहा है कि सीजर को थोड़ी ना एपिलेप्सी है, हमें है एपिलेप्सी, वी सफर फ्रॉम इट. हाँ, इट वाज वी हु सफर फ्रॉम डिजीज of falling down, of being too submissive. Caesar doesn't have this disease. So Casca says, I know not what you mean by that. मुझे नहीं पता तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो, but I am sure Caesar fell down. मुझे इतना पता है कि वो गिर गया था. If the tag rag people did not clap him, and अगर जो tag rag people, tag rag means rowdy people, जो वहां पर crowd में जो rowdy people थे, अगर उन्होंने उसको पकड़ा ना होता, okay, and produced hissing sound according as he pleased and displeased them, they as they used to do the players in the theater, I am no true man. So he's saying, I am certain that he fell down, and the contemptible multitude, जो वहां पर भीड़ थी, of the common people cheered approvingly when Caesar did something to please them. वो और ऐसे cheer कर रहे थे जैसे ही वो गिरा, कि जैसे कि सीजर हैज डन समथिंग टू एज अकॉर्डिंग एज ही प्लीज्ड एंड डिसप्लीज्ड देम, जैसे कि सीजर ने उनको खुश करने के लिए किया, एंड दे हिस डिसअप्रूविंगली एज इफ ही हैज डिसप्लीज्ड देम, जैसे कि उसने उनको नाखुश किया. I tell you as an honest man that people behaved in this manner just as it is their habit to behave in the same manner towards the actors playing their part. लोग वहां पर ऐसे बिहेव कर रहे थे जैसे जो प्लेयर्स मतलब एक्टर्स होते हैं ना इन द थिएटर, and they are playing their part in the theater. So the way people behave to these actors. Brutus, what said he when he came unto himself? Means when he got conscious. जब वो वापस conscious हुआ तो उसने क्या कहा?